Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and here we have Cuisinart's Power Advantage 5-speed hand mixer. It's very powerful with 220 watts of power. It comes with 2 beaters. It has 5 speeds and one touch slide control. Has a very powerful. It has a slow start feature as well. And one of the great features about this is that it has a swivel cord for right-handed and left-handed use, and then you could just stand it up just like that when you're done mixing. And see, these are some of the great desserts that you can make with our hand mixer.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.